Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's explore tech. And this is Aruna Suresh. Today we are going to explore pictory. What is pictory? That is what we are going to explore today. Pictory is a web-based platform that allows users to convert text into videos. Come again. You can just type in text and get your videos ready. The platform uses artificial intelligence and natural language processing technologies to automatically generate video content from your written text. Isn't that wonderful? But then how? How to get started? That is what we are going to see in this video. Come on, let's start. So without wasting time, I am going to share my screen. Go to Google, type pictory, and the first option available is the platform. Click on it. Now you will be getting this interface which says login or free trial. So let us use this free trial part. So it will ask you to sign up, or else you can sign in with Google also. As I have already created an account, I'm going to just log in. So after login, you'll get this 4 options available for you. One is after login, you will get this 4 options available. One is you have to give a script to convert it to video, or else you can copy paste the URL of an article and this can be converted to a video. The next one is you can edit videos using the text. Next one is you can add visuals to convert it to video. Now we are going to proceed with the first one. I am going to add the script so that it can convert it to video. So I have to enter the video name. So let us enter it as motivation. I have a script for this motivation that I can actually copy and paste it over here. Now, you can wait for this proceed option to be highlighted. Now it is highlighted. You can see this proceed option. Just click over here. When you click the option to proceed, it will take you to a page where it has n number of templates. Now you have to choose your template. Let me choose one. So I'm choosing this. You have to select. Then it will ask you to choose an aspect ratio, whether you want it for YouTube or Instagram or else for TikTok. Just choose that and click continue. Now you need to wait so that it is going to create a storyboard for your video. And also it is finding out the best visuals available. It will take a bit of time. Let us wait. So now it has actually created a video. Now you can see the storyboard here. The script is divided into scenes, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and 4. Now you have an option to add visuals. So you can see here when you click the button add visuals, it is again giving us images and videos related with your script. You can add from here also. The next one is elements. When you click this element button, it will show you different stickers available for you. so that I can also try one sticker. I'm going to click it. Now you can see the sticker visible in the video. Now you can actually place it. Now next is audio. You can see here GIFs, emojis, all these stickers are available. So whichever element you want to add, you can actually add. Now go to audio. Now click the audio button. See, it is saying there are music tracks available. You can choose any music track from this available option also. And the next one is voiceover. When you click voiceover, you will get variety of voices, females and male voices available. You can choose any and add on. Now you can also select your own upload files by dragging and dropping the files here in this place. Now let us go to the font. Go to font. Now you can choose a font to write a text on your video. It is very simple. You have to just click on it, and then you can actually add here your text. That's it. Simple. So that is also possible. Now there are variety of styles available. What are they? One is intro style. The other one is you can personalize your own style. The next is outro style. See, you can hear outro style is also available. Now you can see here there are options for deleting the scene, preview the scene, trim the video, add voiceover. When you click this add voiceover, you can upload your voiceover. That is, you have already recorded somewhere and choose that file to upload it. Or else from here only you can record and voiceover. Clear? Now next is settings. When you click the settings, you can see here loop video. One video to be looped again and again. You can hide the text and you can visual zoom and you when you click the settings, it gives you option for looping the video, hiding the text, and visual the zoom and pan options, and also audio, mute uploaded video, then also background music. And you can choose this for a particular video or else for apply to all the videos over here. Now you can see here a plus sign. When you want to create another scene, insert a scene, you can have this options. You want to add only a blank video, then text only video, visuals only, text and visuals, linked scenes, all this can be done. Now, you can see on the top one is my projects. When you click on this, you will see all the projects available or else you had created and it is available in this place. So that is one area. When you save a video, that will be saved in my project option. Now, we have checked this. We have two. You have a hi there. I can delete it. I don't want this. So I can go and delete. And you have two animated objects there. You can select and delete it. This way you can check all the videos and edit whichever part you want it and which you do not want it. Now I don't want this scene 1. So I am clicking the scene 1 and I am just going to delete it. So it is confirming, are you sure you want to delete the scene? I am just clicking delete. Now you can see we have deleted the first scene which we had tried so many things. Okay. Now when you go up, now you have completed all the editing part and everything. Now when you go up, you have an option whether you want to go to the previous part of the scene or you want to preview the object or the video. Now you can finally go for generate. Now when you click generate, it will give you an option to generate the video. Now click here and then wait for the generation. Now you can see the generated video, and that's it. It's so simple to write a script and get a video done using Pictory. Thank you for watching.